What's up, guys? I'm back again with another video. This is the same day, January 2nd today. We've had some great endeavors this morning. It is 3:58 p.m. now. And after having a long talk with my brother, talking about the future and where the future is going and stuff like that, I kind of decided to go on Coursera.com and see what kind of college classes were available. So, if you don't know about Coursera, basically for like $49, you can get a certificate in pretty much anything. And these can come really handy when you're building a resume to get a certain type of job or trying to learn something new and want somebody who actually knows what they're talking about to explain it to you in a very developed understanding. So right when I go on the front page, I run into this thing called deeplearning.ai, which is a class all about neural networks. Neural networks are what they use to build AI, from what I know so far. And this is brand new to me, but I want to spend some time learning about AI technology and integration, using processes to find data and find images, find structure, and kind of work in that realm of things to start kind of understanding that world so I'm not left behind. If there's any good, exciting stuff to do in that realm of things. I've always enjoyed doing computers and stuff like that. So, enough about me. So, through this 1 week class that I just took, it took me honestly, about an hour and a half to 2 hours to finish the whole entire week. And at the end, it had about 20 questions I had to pass. I got an 80%. I probably could take it again. I had 2 that I missed. It was 10 questions. And so let's go over what we learned. Basically, a neural network is like a network of information that they use to calibrate an answer. So they put an input in and you get an output out. So the input could be like, how many bedrooms in a house, area of a house, and the location of a house. And those 3 factors equate to what somebody's willing to pay for a house. So using those 3 different processes, they'll capture data about housing and be able to make a list of what houses should be expected to be worth based on the information that they have. So that's like a very small, minuscule idea of what all this is. And it still kind of gives the juice of it, which is basically a neural network is kind of like, I guess, the same thing as a network, how we have neural networks in our brain. I think it's kind of implementing the same idea in working online in that network. So basically, one thing uses these like almost like they're like brain cells, but they're not, like work together to equate to this answer type of thing, but instead it's just neural networks. So I could see how in the future maybe this would end up having some kind of enhancement in some way. I don't know. Super exciting stuff, guys. I definitely would take a chance to learn about it. It's new. Now this neural network building and gathering information, it's quite new to the world. And deeplearning.ai is a technology company that has helped make a lot of these things faster, like making algorithms and computations and more data. So that's exciting. And next class is actually not until January 17th. So I think we're going to go ahead and start something else kind of correlating to the same thing to kind of get a better grounding on it. Once again, 4 p.m. We're the second day in to a beautiful year ahead of us.